how to save your login info on Instagram and also find your password or save your password on Google Manager. So in order to turn on save login info, you can go to your profile and tap on hamburger menu to open settings. And from here, you can simply go to your account center. Here under password and security, you can see saved login. So you can choose your account. If you have connected Facebook or Instagram, you can choose any one of those to save the login info. As you can see, I've already saved my login info. So even if I forget my password, I don't need it because I have saved the login info on my phone. Now, in order to find your Google Password Manager, what you can do is tap on your settings, scroll down until you find Google Services. And once you open your Google Services, you can tap on Manage Your Account. Or in some cases, you can directly see Password Manager here. But if this option is not available to you, you can tap on Manage Your Google Account, scroll to the left, and until you find Security. And here you can scroll all the way down to find your password manager, tap on Manage Password. And here you can see all of these saved passwords. So in order to see your password, just tap on Instagram, verify that it's you, either it be your fingerprint, your PIN code, or whatever. And once you do that, you can simply tap on this eye icon to reveal your password. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.